You know what I love about that guy? He decided it's decision time, and he committed himself that I'm going to jump in this pool. I think that he thought his body would go through it, and if he didn't and he knew that that was gonna be the end result, then he's just absolutely crazy, and I love that too, right? But I love it because he decided, I'm doing it. I'm gonna jump and just do it. I'm gonna go crazy. He made that decision and he committed himself. This is where you come into play. This is where we come into play. It's decision time. Visualize yourself to wealth. You have so many different assignments and so much different knowledge that I've been able to accumulate from multimillionaires, people worth 7, 8, and 9 figures, that we've been able to compile all this information that they've taught me, and I put it together in a format that worked for me. And now the decision time is, are you gonna do it? The decision time is, did you watch this all the way through at least one time in your hand, write everything? And now I recommend make a decision that you're gonna watch this course bare minimum at least once a month. Watch this course at least once a month, right? This course was a little over 2 hours, let's say. So in this 2 hours, commit yourself. I will go through this course at least once a month. I will at least watch this once a month. And I promise you, guarantee you that if you do everything and do all the assignments, do everything that we said, I can do a guarantee that the videos won't change because you're just push and play. But for some reason, what you're hearing me say about X subject a few videos ago will sound different 3 months from today, 6 months from today, 9 months from today, a year from today. The same exact thing I said will sound different, yet I didn't change one thing. And that's how you know you're growing, right? Don't be one of those people that say, I've heard this before. If you've heard this before, one of the craziest things, people who say, I've heard this stuff before, and they've heard it all, why have they not been able to prosper? Why have those people that have the same exact knowledge been able to move up in life? Why are they still broke? Why are they still where they're at? Why have they not wanted to improve themselves? That's how you know you're growing, and it's not the monetization side, it's just the growing your mind. The more you grow your mind, the easier it's gonna be to communicate with people, and the easier it is to communicate with people, the more opportunity is gonna be. That's the end of it, right? You could be broke, but if you can communicate, you can get money, right? Having that ability. So it's time to make that decision and commit yourself to fulfill this course and finish every single thing that we spoke about.